Welcome back. Crypto taking the spotlight. INX Limited becoming the first security token IPO cleared by the Securities and Exchange Commission. 130 million security tokens will be up for sale and used on its upcoming exchange. Joining me right now is INX Head of Business Development and CMO, Douglas Borthwick. Douglas, it's great to have you this morning. Thanks so much for being here. Explain token to us. Digital assets becoming increasingly important. How does it work?
Well, digital assets are any asset that you want to essentially make on the digital ledger or on the blockchain. What we're doing is we're saying we believe strongly that all assets, whether they're equities, fixed income, commodities, or currencies, will go digital in the near future. And you need to have an exchange that trades digital assets in order to do that, in order to trade those assets. Now, the NASDAQ and New York Stock Exchange can't trade digital assets today. And so we had to come up with one ourselves, but not only come up with an exchange that trades it, but also come up with the instrument that allows people to trade. Before we did this IPO, and before we started it, the only way you could get a security token is if you were an accredited investor. And what we've created is a brand new asset that can now be invested in by the general public as well as accredited investors and institutions. So it's a big leap. Now, what is a digital asset? It's something that trades 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And so it's not just mornings with Maria. We're talking about 24 hours with Maria when you look at digital assets. And this millennial generation, Maria, the millennials, and the top 5 holdings that they have right now, one of them is GBTC, or the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust Company. So millennials are very into digital. And at the same time, this is the Amazon generation that wants delivery tomorrow. Now, if you want delivery, and they don't understand when they talk to their father, and their father says, look, the bad news came out on Nike at 4 o'clock on Friday. I'll get out of it at 9:30 in the morning on Monday morning. It doesn't work like that for millennials. So we see a big move for equities to move digital.
Yep.
Go ahead.
And what about, how does Bitcoin fit? How does Bitcoin fit into this? Trading just above 10,000 right now.
Right, so Bitcoin is one of the currencies that you'll be able to trade on the platform that we're raising money for. There's 2 platforms we have, one that trades Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. The other platform allows you to trade digital assets or security tokens.
And I guess we'll be using digital money as well going forward. That's where trading as well as the store of money is going, right?
Well, for sure, yeah. You've got China, you've got Europe, the UK, the US. Everyone's talking about digital money, creating a digital type of currency. One of the best things with digital currencies is you can see exactly how money's getting spent, and the government can go directly and send money directly to people without all types of third parties. And that's one of the great things with digital assets, is they're much more efficient than the general system we have right now. Because they're open 24 hours, because I can see something like the cap table anytime, I can see who owns which of our tokens, and every token has built into it on a smart contract, KYC and AML. No other security has that.
That makes a lot of sense, Douglas. It's great to get your insights on this. Thank you so much, Douglas Borthwick, joining us there from INX. We'll be right back.